Okay guys, today I want to give you my thoughts and my 2 cents on the Fujifilm x f 1.2. Lens construction. This lens is made of metal and has a pleasant weight to it, which represents quality. This lens is mainly used for portraits and situations where you need the extra step of light, because you can go down to 1.2. There are 2 not so good points on this lens. One is that it's not weather sealed, though I have used it in light rain and it still produces beautiful images. And the other being the minimum focusing distance. It's pretty far off. This lens has 2 rings, the manual focusing ring and the aperture ring. The rings have very good resistance, both the focusing ring and the aperture ring. Okay, speed and precision of the autofocus. Okay, the autofocus is precise and fast, but it's not the fastest when compared to something like the red badged lenses, which have the quad linear motors, and these have the older motors. Since I mainly use this lens for portraiture, the autofocus for me is good enough, but instead of me here trying to explain to you, I'll just show you what it looks like. So just pop it onto my X-T3 and I will show you, okay? Okay, let's go. As you can see, the focus is no slouch, and when taking photos of stationary objects, portraits, it's more than capable of doing the job, okay? Okay, optical image quality of this lens. Okay, this lens produces beautiful and sharp images, and when you go down to the 1.4s, 1.2s, well then the background just turns all into butter. Now I'm just going to show you some pictures taken with this lens for you to see, and hope you like it. Tell me in the comments below if you want to see other images. Okay, now for the value. How much am I going to have to spend to buy this lens? Well, here in Portugal, this lens will cost you around 1,000 euros. Do I recommend this lens? Yes, if you photograph people, if you find yourself taking photos in very dark scenarios, and also if you want that creamy and bokeh background, well, no better lens to do that than this. Should you buy the lens? Well, that's up to you and the type of photography that you do. Like I said, if you take photos of people or events, dark scenarios, yes, this is a must-have lens. If you take photos of architecture, landscape, well, no. Okay guys, reached the end of this little video. Hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, I appreciate it. And any suggestions, leave them in the comments below. And stay safe, stay well, and I'll see you in the next one.